Hello students, today we are going to study the various types of road patterns. The choice of the pattern very much depends on the locality, the layout of different towns, villages, industrial and production centers, and on the choice of the planning engineer. Now, we had developed the various types of road pattern starting with the first type of pattern, that is rectangular and block pattern. Now in rectangular and block pattern, we are more focused towards the central business area. We need to connect the central business area from the main road as well as from the branch road. So we had kept the business area in the central portion of whole area, and near the central business area we had constructed the various residential properties which are known as built area, which is shown here. Now these roads are known as main roads and these roads are known as branch road. So we had connected the central business area with the main roads as well as with the branch roads. Now the rectangular or block pattern has been adopted in the city roads of Chandigarh. Now this rectangular and block pattern road is generally used in the road network of the Chandigarh. Now the next pattern is the star and block pattern. Here we had also kept the business area at the center just like the previous one, and we had constructed the residential area near the central business area, and the direction of the roads are this one, that is the radial roads, which is shown here. That's why this type of pattern is generally known as star and block pattern, and here the network of road is generally the radial roads. So we had kept the central business area at the center point so that it will be connected from all the radial roads. Now the next one is the star and circular pattern. Now in star and circular pattern we again kept the business area in the central portion, and near this business area we had constructed the various residential areas which is known as built area like this. Now these roads are known as radial roads, but it is provided in the circular pattern form, so it is known as star and circular pattern, and it is generally used in the road network of Connaught Place in New Delhi. Now the next one is star and grid pattern. Now in star and grid pattern we generally kept the business area in the center portion, and near the business area we generally kept the built area which is shown here. Now these roads are known as ring roads, and these roads emerging in the radial directions are known as radial roads. Now we generally kept the business area in the center portion so that it will be connected from all the ring roads as well as all the radial roads. Now in Nagpur road plan generally star and grid pattern is used. Now the last road pattern is known as hexagonal pattern. Now in hexagonal pattern we generally kept the road network like this, and here all the built areas are like this, and we had constructed this in the hexagonal pattern like this. So that is known as hexagonal road pattern, which is shown here. Now that is all about the road patterns. Thank you very much, students.